Pedro, bakit na sana? Iya ka, Pedro. I've never seen one of those before. Is it used for drying off sweetie pea? Yeah, it can be. It can be. Or very amazing. Yes. And this is kuan guys. This is really nice for me guys. Yeah, but I think the name of this is Good Judo. Good Judo. Ah, it's Good Judo. The brand is Good Judo. Yes.